Welcome to English class with Miss Faith. Let's learn about fruits. Repeat after me. Mango, mango. Papaya, papaya. Kiwi, kiwi. Lemon, lemon. Lime, lime. Cherry, cherry. Plum, plum. Apricot, apricot. Nectarine, nectarine. Fig, fig. Speaking practice. Listen and answer. What fruit do you like? I like mangoes. I like mangoes. What fruit do you like? I like papayas. I like papayas. What fruit do you like? I like kiwis. I like kiwis. What fruit do you like? I like lemons. I like lemons. What fruit do you like? I like limes. I like limes. What fruit do you like? I like cherries. I like cherries. What fruit do you like? I like plums. I like plums. What fruit do you like? I like apricots. I like apricots. What fruit do you like? I like figs. I like figs. What fruit do you like? I like nectarines. I like nectarines. Let's review. Repeat after me. I like mangoes. I like mangoes. I like papayas. I like papayas. I like kiwis. I like kiwis. I like lemons. I like lemons. I like limes. I like limes. I like cherries. I like cherries. I like plums. I like plums. I like apricots. I like apricots. I like nectarines. I like nectarines. I like figs. I like figs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.